What's going on, guys? John Elder here from Codemy.com, and in this video, we're going to build this cool dental website with Python and Django. All right, guys, like I said, in this video, we're going to build this dental website, and I'll tell you in just a second why we would want to do that using Python and Django. But before we get started, if you like this video, want to see more like it, be sure to smash the like button below. Give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to check out Codemy.com, where I have dozens of courses with hundreds of videos that teach you to code. Use coupon code YouTube1, that's the number 1, to get $30 off membership. That's all my courses, videos, and books for a one-time fee at just $49, which is insanely cheap. All right, what in the world are we doing here? Why are we building a dentist website with Python and Django? Hear me out. This is part of a new series I'm going to be starting where I talk about how to make money as a coder. So you're a coder. Maybe you want to go work for a company like Google or something. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want to work for a local company building websites. Maybe you just want to work for yourself. And one great way to do that is to build websites for people in your town, in your area, around you. And, Google doesn't need you to build them a website. Microsoft doesn't need you to build them a website, but the local dentist might need you to build him a website. The local plumber might need you to build him a website. So in this series, specifically in this course, I'm going to show you how to build this cool dentist website. And we're going to use it, and we're going to build it using a totally free template. We'll customize it. We're going to use Python and Django. And I'll show you how to create the website, how to customize it, how to give it a little flair, how to, change it for specific dentists in your area, how to update it and do all the things. I'll show you how to push it up to Heroku for web hosting. They have a bunch of different tiers you can purchase. A great thing to do is to, say, hey, dentist, I'll build you this website and I'll also host it for you, and I'll charge you $50 a month for hosting and maintenance. And then you sign up for Heroku and they charge you $7 a month or $10, depending on the package you get. And you get to keep the difference, right? As a, think of it as a service fee to maintain the website or whatever. So lots of different ways to make money doing this. And it's just all about being able to crank these out. And the thing is, you want to do it fast, right? If you've got to spend 2 or 3 months building a website, you're not going to make any money. If you can crank this out over a weekend, you could sell a lot of these to all the little businesses in your area or the next town over or the next state over or whatever. And in no time, you can build yourself up a nice little practice. So that's what we're going to be doing in the next set of videos in this playlist. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the little bell button to get notified every time I create a new video. And in this video, I just wanted to kind of walk you through what we're doing, give you a quick look at the website we're going to build. It's a nice looking website. It's really easy to build. We've got all these things here, all these pictures, and I'll show you how to swap out these pictures for, whatever the dentist down the street. He's got some pictures for you, or she's got some pictures for you. I'll show you how to do all that. It has many different pages, drop-down stuff, all kinds of cool stuff. And I think you're going to be really surprised just how easy it is to build this. And this is a dentist website. But once you learn how to do this, you can just as easily find a plumbing template or, a local 5 and dime store template or, whatever little businesses are in your area, clothing store business, whatever. Or you can just get a generic template and modify it yourself to suit any kind of business. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this next set of videos. And so I think it's going to be a lot of fun and just a great way to, earn some money if you want to. Back in the day, in the late 90s, when the dot-com boom was going strong, right before the big crash in the stock market, I would create a website for a person and then email them and say, hey, I built you this website. If you want it, it's $20,000. And you'd be amazed how many times people were like, that's all? Sure, here's my check. And it took me 20 minutes to build the website, an hour at the most. You can do things like that. Now, these days, you can't get $20,000 for a website because those crazy dot-com boom days are over of the late 90s. Nowadays, you could easily get $500,000, $2,000 for a nice customized website to a professional. A dentist doesn't mind spending $1,000 on a website. If he buys it from a full service web agency, they're going to charge him $10,000 or $15,000 probably, or they're going to try to. So, there's a lot of leeway as far as pricing, and we're not going to get into the marketing and the pricing and all that. I'm just going to teach you how to build these websites quick and easy, and should be a lot of fun. So in the next video, we'll start to download and install all the tools we're going to need: Python, Django, a text editor of some sort, a terminal of some sort, and all that good stuff. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and check out Codemy.com, where you can use coupon code YouTube1 to get $30 off membership. Pay just $49 to access all my courses, hundreds of videos, and the PDFs of all my best-selling coding books. Join over 70,000 students learning to code just like you. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll see you in the next video.